Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm continuing my mystery makeup mashup series where I take two randomly selected inspiration photos from my makeup Pinterest board and combine them to make a unique makeup look. So here I'm scrolling through Pinterest for today's inspiration photos. And our first inspiration photo is this infected special effects makeup look. And then we have this burgundy sparkly makeup look. And to combine these looks, I'm going to be using the makeup of the burgundy sparkly one and then adding the infected special effects makeup on top of that. So to start the makeup portion, I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette and using the kind of hot pink shade for the crease and blending that out. We're trying to make this in sort of a round shape. Then using the same palette, I'm using the lighter pink shade to blend out the darker pink. Next, with the darkest burgundy shade, I'm putting this in the inner and outer corners and blending into the lighter colors. And also extending that color a little bit into the crease. Here I'm adding the burgundy to the inner and outer corners of the eyelid as well. Then using that same palette, I'm wetting a brush and using the sparkly pink and putting this in the middle of the eyelid. Then I'm using the bright pink underneath the eye and very close to the waterline going in with the darker burgundy shade. Then I'm lining my bottom waterline with black eyeliner. And here I'm using mascara and I will top that with false lashes. And you could stop here just for the sparkly burgundy makeup. Here I'm using Mehron's red face paint and Midnight's color wheels to create the infected look. Here I'm using the face paint and the color wheel to create veins to make it sort of look like I was infected with some sort of disease. Now these are the only products I had. To really do this look well, it would be better to use alcohol face paints. Those give the effect of it looking like it's coming from within the skin, but I do not have any of those face paints at this moment, so this is what I had to work with. But you could definitely use face paints and color wheels for a Halloween makeup look. And I do think that is what was used in the inspiration photo. It looks very much like it's coming from underneath the skin, whereas painting this way looks like you're painting on top of the skin. Here I begin to add faint blue-like veins with the color wheel. And then I continue to add blue and red veins until I'm happy with the overall look. Here with pink eyeshadow, I'm sort of going around the edges of this for a more inflamed skin look. And here I'm adding a bit of yellow in various spots for a more infected, sickly type of look. And then I add a little bit of fake blood coming out of the nose and mouth, just like the inspiration photo has. And that completes this week's makeup mashup. I really like the idea of something being very pretty and then also being kind of scary looking. I always sort of like that combination, so I was really excited to be able to do this look today. Let me know what you guys think of this mashup in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.